The excavation of Rome's Amba Aradam subway continues to give archaeologists incredible discoveries. The New York Times reports that the highly decorative remnants of a structure were found that archaeologists believe was the home of the commander of the military post. The discovery comes after a 2nd century military barracks was discovered. State archaeologist Simona Moretta said the decorations were mainly intact, both the patterned mosaic floors and the frescoed walls. Walls had been leveled and rooms filled with dirt, leading archaeologists to believe the home was intentionally buried in the 3rd century. The ruins will eventually be used as the centerpiece of the Amba Aradam station that will be visible to all passengers. And Moretta hopes there is even more to be discovered, saying, "We have 4 more meters to excavate," and added, "We have no idea what we'll find."